Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to Windows 10 Windows Hello Problem Fix tutorial. So very easy guys. Firstly, click on Install and type here Regulative Edit. Click on Registry Editor. And after click on Local Machine. After click on Software. Click on Policies. After click on Microsoft Machine and click on Windows. After click on System and here right click on New, click on the word 32-bit and tap here Allow Domain. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to understand Windows Hello Problem Fix tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.